Interior design is an amazing profession because interior designers are concerned with the experiences that people have in space. And to experience space, you need to be using all of your senses. So what do you see? What do you touch? What do you feel? What do you hear? And so commercial interior designers are really thinking about bringing all of those elements together in a creative way to make sure that people have amazing experiences in the spaces that they go into.
The sort of interior spaces that I enjoy are inspired by nature. They use interesting materials and they provoke sort of positive interaction between people or even in individual experiences. I feel like that's really important.
The things that inspired me to take up interior design were just basically walking around and noticing things, so design aspects that I liked and appreciated, and I wanted to understand more about how people got to that stage and what made them choose certain colours, what made them use certain materials, and it's always been something that's interested me, and this course was a perfect thing to take it further.
I think the main thing that really excites me about interior design is the drive, it's the passion of the students, it's the light bulb moment of when all of a sudden the penny drops and the idea is then sort of in front of them.
The best parts about studying interior design, I've found that it actually opens up my ideas about thinking in terms of everything. Just walking down the street and seeing things in a new light, it actually turns your brain on to a different way of thinking, something that you've never experienced before, and you're always alert, you're always watching.
If you're studying interior design, it's something that you immerse yourself in completely. You come to college and you spend the day really being challenged on multiple levels. The way that you think, the way that you communicate. You could be learning software on a computer for a couple of hours and then be asked to go and start sketching and model making and then bringing the two together. So it's really exciting to see both the digital and the hand-drawn or made component coming together and informing each other. If you're thinking about getting into design, there are so many places in Perth that you can go and have a look at. You can go to the art gallery, you can go to Pika, you can go walking around the city and all the little lanes and seeing the new premises that are opening, new shops, new cafes, new restaurants. So there's lots of examples around that you can go, but when you are going to look at these things, you need to ask yourself the question, what would you do differently? How would you make this space better if you were designing it?